Good evening, everybody. Last session we have studied about corporate mission. We have studied uh, about what is corporate mission, what are the silent features of corporate mission, and what are the managerial benefits of corporate mission. And also we have studied how does corporate mission facilitates in organization uh, to perform all activities of organization to earn profit according to their expectation. And also we have studied how does corporate mission facilitates the business organization to understand about customer, understand about product, understand about services, understand about organization, understand about expectations of stakeholder, and understand about other the activities of the organization. These are the some important things last session we have discussed. Today I want to discuss about ethics in strategic management. Here two words are there. One is ethics and another is strategic management. Already we have discussed detail about strategic management, like what is strategic management and what are the steps involved in strategic management, and what are the level of strategies, and what are the managerial benefits of strategic management. And also we have discussed some other important aspects. But here no, we have to study ethics in strategic management. I mean, there is a relationship between uh, the management activities and ethics. It means the way in which the organization is managing the all activities of the organization according to expectations of the stakeholder. Whenever the organization having ethics. So ethics in strategic management, nothing but what? How does the ethics uh, facilitating organization to take ethical strategic decision? Uh, Already we learned, no, strategic management deals with different aspects like strategic analysis, strategic uh, choice, strategic to develop the strategic alternatives, strategic implementation, strategic evaluation, and the controller. These are the some important the activities of strategic management. But in fact, strategic management no, has to take many decisions during the course of business hours about different business activities or about different stakeholders. Maybe the business organization required to produce the product, and whatever product to be produced no, that should be a ethical one. Suppose organization not have ethics, do you think the organization producing the ethical product, do you think that product to be accepted by the customer? Do you think that product helping the organization to meet the requirement of the customer? Do you think that is provide justice to the customer? So ethics is very important. So strategic management job is to take many strategic decision during the course of business hours relating to production activity, relating to marketing activities. I think all of you might be aware. There are many things the business organization required to do as far as marketing activities are concerned. So suppose the organization failed to take right decision as far as marketing are concerned, is it possible to sell according to expectations of the organization? Is it possible to take appropriate decisions relating to marketing mix, relating to uh, pricing strategies, relating to mode of distribution, relating to some other marketing activities? Therefore, whenever organization having the ethical the practices that may be helping the organization to think rationally, I think ethically. Whenever organization think rationally and ethically, no, there are many good outcomes. Above all, the business, no, the business is a social organization. I mean, it is a social unit. The whatever the product to be produced by the business organization, the organization should understand exactly the aspirations of social unit. I mean, aspirations of society and aspirations of business, and even the whatever sources or whatever resources to be utilized by the business organization, no, that is belong to the society. So once the business are having uh, ethical the practices as per strategic management are concerned, strategic management facilitates to think strategically as well as ethically as far as to take the strategic business decisions are concerned. So without having ethics, suppose any strategic decision come out from any organization, no, sometimes that is not provide justice to all stakeholders of the organization. Whatever stakeholder you take, they are directly or indirectly playing a vital role and significant role as far as to success of organization are concerned. Suppose organization neglect the interest of the any stakeholder, that leads to failure of organization. Once organization fail, no, that may not help the organization uh, to remain, or that may not help the organization to provide something to people of society, contribute something towards nation, and also it is not helping the people of society by way of creating job opportunity, or even whatever the business you take. Suppose business is healthy, no, definitely that is big asset to any country. So once organization is thinking ethically, as far as to take the decisions during the course of business hours, definitely good decisions are outcome. As a result of that, there are many good outcomes as far as even particular economic activities are concerned. And okay, whatever it is, here I want to say what is ethics. Of course, ethics plays vital role. We should understand, no, what is ethics. Uh, Ethics is concerned, no? We have different uh, the opinion. I mean, we have different definitions. I mean, we have different arguments by different scholars. But in general sense, no, ethics uh, deals with right things, means towards right end is said to be called as ethics. Ethics means ethics deals with right things, means towards right end is said to be called as ethics. From this statement, it is very clear that uh, ethics deals with right thing. I mean, whatever activity to be undertaken by the organization, that should be right. Organizational viewpoint should be right. Stakeholders viewpoint should be right. Suppose the organization make the loss, this is not right. Suppose the organization exploit the customer, this is not right. Suppose organization misutilize the resources, this is not right. Suppose organization neglect the interest of the employee, this is not right. Suppose organization fail to prepare the appropriate plan, this is not right. Clear, no? Ethics means ethics deals with the right things, means towards right end. Whatever activity to be undertaken by the organization, that activity should be right. The outcome also should be right. Then only that is called as ethics. So ethics plays a vital role in strategic management. I will tell detail about how does ethics plays vital role in strategic management. So ethics, right things are called as ethical things, wrong things are called as unethical things. So once organization having ethical practices, no, there are many the good outcome as far as strategic decision are concerned. Already I said that during the course of business hours, the organization required to take many decisions. Once organization having ethical practices that may be facilitates organization to distinguish between right actions and wrong action. Once the authorities know to know what are the right action and what are the wrong action, suppose on the basis of that they take the decision, definitely the decisions are called as right decision. I mean that decisions are called as very rational decision or whatever strategy to be formulated. No, once organization having ethical practices that leads to appropriate plan of action, appropriate allocations of resources, and and also it facilitates to attain the requirement of specific stakeholders like employees and customers, because customers are even employees as well as customers are backbone of any organization. Since employees are contribute working for betterment of the organization, therefore organization should ensure appropriate decision. And I mean, whenever organization having right, whenever organization having appropriate ethical practices that guiding the organization to take right decision about employee. Once employee that having, I mean, once organization that ensure a right decision relating to employee, employee get many things. Appropriate employee get many facilities from the organization that leads to employee happiness, that leads to that improve the competitive ability of the employees, and also employee become competent and work ethics also increasing. Whenever work ethics of the employee is increasing, outcomes are many uh, good things as far as employee performance or employee activities are concerned. So I don't want to explain much about ethics, but only thing is what here we have to study how does ethics plays vital role in strategic management. Ethics in strategic management, nothing but what? How does ethics facilitating strategic management authorities or strategic management while performing strategic the activities? I mean that as far as environment analysis are because strategic management no deals with strategic analysis, and what are the things should be kept in mind by the organization as far as strategic analysis are concerned, and even alternative strategic alternative development are concerned, and choices are concerned, and even strategic evaluation and the concern. In addition to this, no, the many other things strategic management is required to do during the course of business. No, therefore ethics plays a very significant role because ethics is guiding strategic management authority to take strategic decision relating to particular activities of business. And next is what are the uh, ethical issues in strategic management? I mean, what is are ethics in strategic management? Already I said no. Uh, as far as strategic management are concerned, uh, the business organization no, to take strategic decision are concerned. The organization is needed to consider many things. Should we consider the interest of employees? Should we consider interest of customers? Should we consider interest of organization? Should we consider interest of many the parties, those who are directly or indirectly get the benefit of organization. Therefore, the ethics is very important and essential as far as the strategic management are concerned. Whatever it is, there are many issues are there in strategic management as far as ethics are concerned. As a result of sound practices of ethics, no, the organization is able to do there are many good outcome as a result of adoptions of ethics in strategic management. The first the one is ethics ensures proper plan of actions. Earlier sessions, no, we have studied strategic management or strategies deals with systematic plan of action, to depend oneself and defeat rivals. And strategic management deals with adoptions of course of action, allocations of necessary resources in order to achieve the predetermined objectives is known as strategic management. In order to do these things, no, the organization is needed appropriate the plan of action. Yeah, once organization having ethics, no, ethics facilitates proper plan of action because ethics deals with right things uh, and I means towards right end. So once organization have ethics, the outcomes are proper plan of action. Suppose organization have proper plan of actions, from that organization is able to do the better as far as resource utilization are concerned and customer management are concerned, employee management are concerned, competitor compete with competitors. I mean, the organization is able to do better than the competitor as a result of what? As a result of proper plan of actions. Ethics, no? Ethics ensures proper plan of action. The plan of actions always helping the organization to do better as far as different business activities are the concern now. And ethics facilitates to develop appropriate vision and mission. Uh, Vision and mission plays a vital role. Many scholars pointed out that vision and mission are powerful strategy as far as any business organization are concerned or individual are the concern. So suppose organization not practicing ethics as while preparing the vision and mission, do you think the organization able to get the appropriate vision, appropriate mission? Suppose organization fail to prepare appropriate vision and appropriate mission, do you think the organization get the direction? I mean, organization fail to understand exactly about organization and about stakeholder of organization and scope of organization, and organization unable to understand exactly why organization is exist and what actually the organization required to do as per as particular stakeholders are concerned. So once organization having ethics, no, it ensures to distinguish between the right mission and wrong mission, right vision and wrong vision as far as particular activities are the concern now. And ethics ensures to develop sound organization culture. This is very essential, even individual find, organizational viewpoint, and even employees viewpoint, and even the whatever organization wants to do in particular economic activities, no, sound culture is very essential because sound culture, no, helping the organization to discharge their function I mean discharge their obligation properly, perform their function properly. Because the culture refers, I mean culture includes value also part of culture, beliefs also part of culture, and even implicit rules or norms or even traditions. These are the things are part and parcel of the culture. So these are the things are very essential as far as to carry out all business activities are the concern now. So once organization having ethics, that may be helping the organization to develop the sound culture. So that culture also is guiding the organization uh, to take any strategic business decisions or concern now. And it helps management to utilize organizational resources the properly. I think, as you know very well, the survivalness of organization purely based on the way in which the organization utilizing the manpower and material, machine, and money and other resources are. So ethics, no, ethics deals with right things I mean, ethics facilitates to understand exactly the what are the right things as far as investment are concerned, and what are the right things as far as the economic activities of organization are concerned, and what are the right things as far as even the whatever amount to be incurred or whatever amount to be spending by the organization. So even it is helping the organization as far as managing all the financial affairs are concerned, because of what? Because of ethics. Basic. I mean, the very purpose of ethics is what? To undertake the right actions. Right actions are called as ethics. At the beginning, I said no. The right actions are called as ethics as far as economic activities are concerned. Wrong actions are called as unethics. So, and it helps to develop work ethics among employees. This is also very essential. Every organization performance based or not based on the work ethics of the employee. Once organization having strategies on the basis of what? On the basis of ethics, definitely that turn to provide good things to employees. Once employee avail good things, this turn to employee happiness. Once employee become happy, the employee thinking good about organization. I mean, the employee morality may be increases. As a result of increasing employee morality, employee work ethics is increases. Employee attending the duty properly and discharging his obligation at workplace according to expectations of the organization. So these are the things, no, facilitates organization to utilize all resources properly. This may be reason for increased sales. This may be reason for 100% utilizations of money, machine, material, and even other resources, and even meet the requirement of the customer or satisfy the requirement of the customer, like that. And it also that ethics, no, ethics helps to get the competitive advantages over competitors. This is very very important as far as any economic activities are concerned. Always the business organizations are thinking to get advantage for the others. So when organization get advantage over others, whenever organization is right, no, in all respect. Suppose organization having good plan as far as manpower management are concerned, marketing management are concerned, when financial affairs management are concerned, and R&D are concerned. So the good plans are good activities in respect of all personal activities are concerned, or strategies are concerned, purely based on whenever the organization having ethical consideration or ethical practices, or whenever organization adopts sound ethical values while taking the decisions. This turn to think differently by the organization as far as to attend the requirement of concern, or whenever organization having strategies on the basis of ethical consideration, definitely that strategies are different from the other organization. As a result of that, the organization able to get the advantages over the others. Because suppose organization have ethical consideration, as a result of that, better quality product may be produced by organization, and employee get many things that turn to employee happiness, and even organization fixes appropriate price as a result of ethical consideration. As far as fixation of price are concerned, appropriate price organization able to fix. Once organization fix appropriate price, outcomes are to sell more, and employees are happy. Okay, these are the many good outcomes. As a result of this, the organization is able to get the advantage of the others, and it facilitates to design and implement proper reward system, because employees are backbone, or employees are very important, because whatever innovations to be emerged in the organization based on employee contribution, whatever good things especially emerge in the organization purely based on the employees. Once organization having the strategies, regarding employee development or to attend the requirement of employees are concerned, employees are happy. Okay, these are the many good outcomes. As a result of this, the organization is able to get the advantage of the others, and it facilitates to design and Based on ethical consideration, definitely that strategies are ethical strategies through which the organization is able to get many things from the employer. It guides organization to develop appropriate information management system. This is also very, very important as far as strategic management are concerned, since strategic management has to take many decisions about customer, employees, and other stakeholders. So appropriate information is very essential. Once appropriate information management system organization having, that we provide ethical information or correct information. Correct is information are called as ethical information. So these are some important things relating to ethics in strategic management. Before going to wind up, once again I want to recap what I have discussed so far as. Ethics plays vital role in strategic management because strategic management has to take many decision, as well as strategic management deals with formulations of long-term strategy, short-term strategy, strategy relating to manpower management, strategy relating to customer management, strategy relating to that maybe management of resources, or strategy relating to uh, profit maximization, wealth maximization, increase market share, finance utilization, I mean money utilization. So whenever organization having ethics, no, definitely that may be facilitating the organization to do all the strategic management related activities ethically as well as strategically. As a result of this, the organization is able to make more profit. Our organization is able to remain as a competitive organization in a particular line of business. I hope all of you clear what I have discussed so far as. Thank you.